Cut. Why does it say 3D? Schizoic Cyber Ezero? Because I like 3D Schizoic Cyber Ezero. Ha ha ha, Ezero. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to say that. It is supposed to say 20th Century Fox! Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo in the daytime? Because it's so beautiful like that, and that's how they should have made it. I know. It would be beautiful, but I like it the way it is, and you should too. Why does it say Fox Star Studios? Because I like Fox Star Studios. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to say Fox Star Studios. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Whatever. Oh, don't you whatever me? Cut. Why does it say 21st Century Tiago was up? Because I really love 21st Century Tiago was up. Ha 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 ha. Next take, please. Why does it say 20th Mixcraft 8 Fox? Because I love 20th Mixcraft 8 Fox. No, it is not supposed to say 20th Mixcraft 8 Fox. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. So, 20th Century 8 Fox? No, you... Ooh. Nope. Cut. Why is the 0 slanted? Because. And also, why does the 2 look a little weird? Looks a little looks like that 2 looks like it's been it's like the 2's almost jointed. There's nothing about the 2. Okay, so
safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown. Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately. No! No! No!
is the 20th Century Fox logo completely empty? Because it got destroyed. Well, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to stay regular.
Tuck, you want to walk?
Come on, Tucker, let's go.
Ay, mi amor, qué divina las luces.
Sí.
Ay, el tema, todo precioso, tan romántico. Tan linda, te amo.
Sí, bueno.
Uchi, corazón.
Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fly Animation? Because I like 20th Century Fly Animation. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. No, it's not supposed to say 20th Century Fly Animation. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Why does it say FS Productions Sanchez? And also, why is it in the city? And why are there ships flying around it? Because it's so cool. It's like Star Wars. Cut. Why does it say Gino? Because I like Gino. Ha 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 ha. It's not supposed to say Gino. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo animated? Because I like animated logos. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to be animated. It's supposed to be live action. Fine. This is your last chance. Whatever, dork. Don't whatever dork me. You dummy. Thank you so much for getting it right. Now get out of here before I punch you out. Okay, you psychopath. Oh yeah? Get out.